Hi, this is a quick overview of Clever and how it will work with both the students and teacher view. When the students log into their Chromebook, they'll be directed to the district web page. At the top, they will also have another tab that says Clever Login. They can click the Clever Login, and then they can click Login with Google. All of the programs will be listed here for the students. Once they click on the program, it will bring them directly into the program as if they have logged into it. The only difference is for IXL students in grades 1, 2, and 3. For IXL, they will need to either go to the IXL website and type in their username and password, remembering that their username is at MBPS, Middlesex Borough Public Schools. If they would like to use the Clever login for IXL, they will need to click on IXL. It will ask them for their username and password, and then it will navigate them to go to IXL. They will have to type in their username and password again and click Sign In. Unfortunately, this is the only way for IXL because it is a specific website for the Middlesex students. If you are logging in as a teacher into Clever, you will probably have to go to google.com and log in. Once you've logged into google.com, you can click on clever.com and log in with Google. Here you'll see a teacher dashboard. The teacher dashboard will direct you to different areas. If you go to the district page, these are all the apps that we have set up for you as the teacher. Once you click on the app, it will bring you directly into that program and you will be ready to go as any other. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.